Have you ever needed to reserve items in inventory for a particular sales order that will ship at a later date? Well, let's take a look at a few tools Acumatica has to help you with this. So here's the scenario. One of my customers wants to order 7 extra small blue t-shirts, but we only have 5 in stock. Now, to save money on shipping, they want to wait until all 7 items are in stock before we ship this order to them. So I've started a sales order here. I added my customer, and let me go ahead and add that inventory ID. I'm just going to type in t-shirt, scroll down till I find my blue extra small, and tab out of there. Now, as soon as I do, notice the quantity on hand. As I said before, there's only 5 on hand, but they would like to order 7. As soon as I enter that quantity, of course, I'm going to get errors telling me they will go negative. So the first thing I want to do is, of course, I'm going to order the extra 2 t-shirts that they need, but I would like to reserve whatever quantity we have in our warehouse so they don't give it away with another order. You do that using allocations. Let me go click on allocations here. And I want to say I would like to allocate these items in my order. Now, since there's only 5 available, you will only be able to allocate 5 and then tell me, well, I don't know what you plan to do with another 2. If I had 2 available in another warehouse, I might be able to pick my warehouse from it here and select it. I do not at this point though. So my next step I want to do is scroll on over. We're going to take a look at a couple other items in here. First, I might want to say it was requested today. Since I do have to place an order, we're going to give myself a week before I plan to ship on it. Next, the shipping rule. For this line item, it is saying that back orders are allowed, but I want to wait till all items are available before I ship them, and that means ship when the order is completed here. The next thing I'll want to do is I want to mark for PO and create a PO, a purchase for the items that are unavailable. As soon as I mark that for PO, if I go back to allocations here, you will see those warnings went away. 5 are being allocated for me from this warehouse, a reservation, so to speak, and then the other 2 are being marked for PO. So just a little tip there. If you look at the bottom here, it does say that 5 are now being allocated. So I always prefer to save. Let's go ahead and do that. My next step is I am going to want to create that purchase order. So let's go up to Actions, create the purchase order. We'll see any other purchase orders that we might have available. We could select them all, select one, process just one, or process them all. Look at the creation date, but I'm going to go ahead and just process this one. And what it's going to do is create a purchase order for me. So here's my purchase order. It's telling me what it's going to order, the 2 that I've asked for. I can add more items to this order if I needed to. For now, I'm just going to take it off of hold. We do have an approval process listed. If I go to the approval details in our assignment and approval maps, it says Leda Beauvoir must approve this order. However, I am logged on as an administrator, so I can also approve it. And it tells me that me, logged on as Maxwell Baker, is able to approve this order. So I just went ahead and approved it, and now we have our purchase order all open, approved, and ready to go. The final step I just want to show you here is let's go ahead and try to add another sales order. Let's say a couple days later, somebody else requested some extra small blue t-shirts. We'll go ahead and select a customer here, add that from in here, and see what happens. My extra small blue t-shirts, as soon as I do, notice at the bottom, it is telling me there are 5 on hand, but there are 0 available. And that is because those 5 were allocated for me. Acumatica has many more tools available to help you with inventory, including auto replenishments and even auto allocations. But hopefully this helped provide you with a quick overview of one of many ways Acumatica can help your business be more productive.